Hi ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do is we're going to go through this Pendulum Lab, just a little setup. We have our ring stand, we have our ring. We're going to take our long string, we're going to take the two loops, put them together, and loop one through the other. Pull tight, there you go, you have it all set. You can attach the short string and just put it on the back side. You won't be using this until the very last part of it. Alright, for the first part A, the procedures say that we should use the long string and the heavy weight for all of these trials. Long string, heavy weight, we'll hook that on. Now, if I were to swing it right now, it would be very floppy. So, you want to make sure that the person that's counting always has their hand on it. Make sure it's not like this, because the weight will hit you. So have it just firmly, just like this, and wait for the timer to start. So let's start the timer. And I'm going to hold it at 90 degrees, and I'm going to count for 10 seconds how many swings there are. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, mine was 14. I would do that 3 more times. After that, I'm going to drop the weight from a smaller arc, 45 degrees. Before I had it like this, 90 degrees. Now I'm going to have it at 45. And I'm going to do this 3 times at 45 degrees, and I'm going to count how many swings for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. So 16 for those. And I would record both of those on the back. 14 for trial 1. Trial 2, what did I get? I don't know, I didn't do it. Trial 3, what did I get? I don't know, I didn't do it. But for the small arc on the back, the second row, I did trial 1. And I'm going to record that number. I'll do trial 2 and 3. B says long string, wide arc, but this time what we're going to change is we are going to change the weight. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with the heavy weight, long string, wide arc, pretty much the same thing that we exactly did, but we still want to redo the experiment just so that we cover all our bases. Do this for 10 seconds, counting up the number of swings, and then it tells us to switch to the lightweight. Same arc, same string for 10 seconds. 1. All right, and I would record that under the long string, wide arc, and lightweight. This is actually the only time that we use the lightweight. Part C says use the heavy weights, use the wide arc, so again, holding it up at a 90-degree angle, but this time we're going to change the strings. So we're actually going to use the short string. 90 degrees, count out how many swings it does, then I'm going to do that 3 times, 3 trials. Back here, I'm going to switch it to the small string. Switch this to the front, this to the back. I'm going to use a small string, still the heavy weight, still 90 degrees, but I'm going to do it 10 seconds. 1, and that's how much I would record. 22 I got for the heavy weight, wide arc, short string. I'm going to do that 3 more times. After that, I do my average, adding them up, dividing by 1, 2, 3 trials, and then I'm going to look at my data and answer the conclusion questions. Hope this explained everything. Do your best. Thank you.